What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we're going to be opening this mystery box from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, how's it going? So before we get started on opening this Amazon mystery box, please like, comment, and subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon. I appreciate it. So let's get into it. Alright. So it showed up. It has my name on it, my address on it. I'm not really sure where it's from. It says lithium ion batteries in compliance with section 2 of the PL966 code. That's what the label says. It says Tucson and then Phoenix. I didn't have any tracking number for anything like this, so I have no idea what it is. We got some bubble wrap or airbags. There's a little bitty box for this giant box. Look at this. Come on, Amazon. So, Kamisafe Innovations for Life. Phone, tripod, flexible eye, Samsung, DSLR camera, Gopro. I didn't technically order this. Some little phone mount. Well, that's what's in the box. It's got a little GoPro mount. Thread-on shoe. A little tripod. This is in this bag. Some thank you note. Universal phone clip, flexible phone, tripod, 360-degree rotating and detachable ball joint. Allows free adjustment for multi-angle shots. You can capture. Bluetooth pairing remote. Is there something else in here? Oh yeah, there's a little remote in here. It has a battery in it. Wireless Bluetooth remote. Note the remote does not support Google phones yet. Compatible with iOS system devices, iOS 5.0 and above. Take pictures and record videos. Also can apply for Android 4.1 or above. Wow, that's a long time ago. That's 4.1 I believe was Honeycomb. Something like that. My phone's running 10.1. 10.0. Also can apply to Android 4.1 or above device, but only supports to take pictures, not record videos. So the remote's useless, I guess, according to that. Okay, so the legs bend. It's a pretty high tripod. I'll take this off and you guys can look at the difference. This is the max height of the tripod I always use, which is this guy right here. That's a good, now 4 or so inches taller. This knob allows the ball to rotate. It tightens the ball pretty good. Some tripods don't tighten the ball very well. What's this do? Okay, so you can, this little knob right here is to take this off. So I guess you could use this ball on another tripod if you want. That's interesting. So it comes with this, I guess, if you want to attach your GoPro immediately, which anybody that has a GoPro, which is what I'm using right now, has hundreds of these little clips. And I technically have these. I have these in aluminum. This specific clip, I have a bunch of them in aluminum, so I wouldn't use this, but yeah, I guess it's nice to have it. Comes with this little phone holder, which I don't ever use these because these things never ever hold my phone. I could grab my phone and see if it will hold it. Oh, it's on me already. It holds it, but it's holding it pretty tight. I mean, there isn't much wiggle room. It's a pretty cheap little clamp. Pushing buttons on my phone. I wouldn't use this clamp, especially for the Galaxy Note 8, but you know, it comes with it. I'm not really sure who sent the tripod. It doesn't seem very easy to get these legs folded back to the straight position that they were. You know, I think I've got one or two of these style tripods. And I never use them. Now, it might be a sturdy tripod. Definitely takes up a lot of space, which is why I use this little tripod I'm holding, because it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I can have large items on the toolbox. You can see how little space it takes up compared to this one. So it's good. I don't know, 1.5 inches shorter on the third leg stand. So the tripod I have on this camera right now, the leg sits about right here. So we're talking a good, I don't know, 2.5 inches or so. Just a quick video. I'll probably use it for something. I got another larger tripod that I use all the time. Which I haven't used in a while. This one's pretty dusty. That's this guy right here. You can see it's really dusty. I haven't used it in a little while. It's got the quick disconnect clip right there that's on an item. You know, you can see this one is a lot larger tripod. So I don't have anything that's in this size. So it's nice. You know, it's a smaller than this one. It's bigger than the one we're using at the moment. But you know, tripods are tripods. I also have this guy right here that I use as well, and this one I haven't used in a little while. So you can see the differences. So this one's slightly smaller. So if I put it on its legs, it's a little bit shorter. It's about 1/2 inch or 1 inch shorter than this one. And then this one's about, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches shorter than this one. And this one's not completely open. if I open it, be like that. So this one is a good, I'd say about 3 or 4 inches shorter than this one. About 5 inches. So I got one that's about 1 inch shorter than this one, and then this one. So I do have now, whoever sent it, appreciate it. I might use it, I don't know. I kind of tend to use the tripods that I like more than others. You know, usually when it comes to tripods, I usually buy the tripod I want. I don't normally use them unless I get some kind of reviews on them, and I'm not really sure where it came from. It's in an Amazon box, but you know, I don't know if it actually came from Amazon. I mean, you know, some people like me, I keep some of the Amazon boxes that I've received because I paid for something just because that box was useful for something else. So, you know, it could have been personally sent by somebody else and they just didn't put the name on the package. I don't know. Whoever sent it, I appreciate it. I'm not sure if I'll use it. I don't normally use these tripods that have the flexible legs because there's usually no need for me to attach this in that way to something. But you know, it's a decent little tripod. I'll definitely use this if I need it. This chintzy little clip, more than likely it's just gonna get thrown in the garbage, or I'll put it with the rest of the camera equipment if it's ever needed. The likely chance that I'm ever gonna be able to use this. It barely fits my phone, and it fits my phone with this case on it extremely tight, to the point that I would be uncomfortable with it. So unless I randomly get an iPhone or something, I don't think that's ever going to get used. And this, I'm not sure I would use this either. It says it's a remote shutter. Made in China, so. But I do appreciate you guys checking it out. This little joint I'll probably put on a different tripod. I like these. I like using these a lot. So this, I bet you, will probably get used more than the tripod itself. Probably not going to put it on the tripod when I use it. I'm probably going to put it on a different tripod or something. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Kamisafe. Innovation for life. That's what the box says. So that's what it is. These are the items it came with. Do appreciate you guys watching, as always. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I also have it down in the top of the description below. I have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com if you guys want to use it. I want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, all the people that like, dislike, all the people that watch, all the people that use the affiliate links, watch the ads on the channel every once in a while. It's you guys are the reason that the channel's monetized, and I want to say thank you very much because the channel is paying for things now. So I'm going to be picking up some wood with the money from the channel, as well as I'm going to be picking up a couple Sheetmaster jaw horses for personal use, as well as we're going to be using them on the channel to hold some wood, because we're going to start doing head-to-heads against, you know, different brands and their hammer drills. Got all variants of DeWalt other than the old NiCad, so 8 volt, 12 volt, 20 volt, 60 volt, flex volt, 120 volt flex volt. Got Milwaukee M18 and M12. Might be getting into the MX Fuel, I don't know yet. We got Metabo HPT 36 volt and 18 volt. We got Bosch 18 volt core, Makita 12 volt, 18 volt and 36 volt X2, as well as the 40 volt and 80 volt from Makita coming to the channel soon. And plenty more, so please stick around, check out the videos, and I'll see you guys there. If those are anything that's interesting to you guys, you know, smoosh the bell notification icon, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!